A new monthly security patch update is rolling out for the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE. After installing this update, the mobile gets upgraded to the January security patch. The size of this update is 302.63 MB. I have already started downloading it, and once it's complete, I'll go ahead and install the update. After installing this update, I'll share with you the CPU and GPU scores of the mobile both before and after, and any issues I noticed after using it for more than 48 hours. Alright, the update took around 5 minutes to complete. Make sure you do not press any buttons while it's being updated. Coming to the changes, after the update, there are no visible changes. All the applications, files and remaining data are there. Next, here are the CPU single core and multi-core scores before and after. As you can see, there is a noticeable difference in CPU performance. Next, the GPU also follows the same. Coming to the battery backup, it's the same as before and no issues I encountered in my device. No green line issues, no glitches, nor lags. So whether you want to upgrade or not, yes, you can update. That's the video. I hope you found this helpful. If yes, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon beside it. I have added all the related product links for the S24 FE in the description box. If you are interested in protecting your mobile, definitely check them out.